I'm going to take a look at this OneTigris bag rest. This is shipped in a kind of a Tigris branded bag. It's got some info on here from OneTigris. Oh, warranty. Information about their different places on social, and then letting you know that this is real Cordura fabric. I believe this is Cordura 500, and we have the tag on there. Very cool. So a couple of things that I heard about this bag, and the reason I wanted to check it out is that it's very light. It's 16 ounces, and I can tell you that. It does feel dense, though. This is a solid poly fill, so the fill here isn't a foam. It's a solid polymer beads, and the polymer beads give you the mass without the weight. So it does not weigh much, but they have it packed pretty well, and I can see that there's definitely going to be a place to get a divot here, and it's going to stay. It's not too squishy, but it is very lightweight. The other thing I liked about this one, in addition to having a loop here at the top to maybe put a piece of 550, or it's wide enough to put a carabiner through there, it's got a split grip or split handle here. So you can pull this up, put it on a bag, and for hunting, for going out into the woods, that's usually what I'm going to do, is loop it onto a strap, loop it onto some attachment point on a pack, and this way, of course, it's multicam. That's the way to go. This way it's out of sight, out of mind till you need it. Quick to get to. This gives you the ability to tag it to something as well. Really looking forward to getting this one out in the field and using it. Thanks OneTigris for letting us take a look at this one. It's their bag rest, under 16 ounces. Hope this helps.